She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You all love my crochet braid videos, and I have an awesome crochet video for you all today. We have the Divatress locks from the Janet collection, and these are their Maverick locks. I love how these locks are structured. They look so realistic. I love that they're not uniform. Most often when individuals get locks, they look similar to this. They do have curly ends, and these are pre-looped. So let's get into how I did my braid pattern first. This particular braid pattern, I'm probably gonna be doing forever. It is so awesome. So I did do some individuals. So I'm gonna braid or plait my hair rather. I'm only gonna do 4 plaits on one side, and I decided to do 3 on the other. You don't have to do an entire front with individual braids. You can do another braid pattern that I actually found on someone else's channel, and I'll mention them in a moment. But right now I'm just plaiting my hair, and I tried not to braid too tight. I didn't want any additional tension or anything which could cause breakage, and my parts are not gonna be perfect. You're gonna see that throughout this video, but most of us cannot do clean parting, so I didn't even bother to worry about that. So now we're going to fast forward to where I've already done 4 plaits on the right side. This is where I'm going to wear my part, so I did 4 on this side. And this next step is for my sisters who have challenges doing cornrows. This method is an illusion braid method, which I found on Mary Kay Bella's channel. I'm not sure if she created it, but I did find it on her channel. Now in this method, you're going to actually part your hair off. You're going to begin doing plaits just as I did before, but you're going to be connecting your plaits along your part. And I'm going to do this method in the center where I do not have the individual braids, and I'm going to stop it right at the crown and begin cornrowing in the back. Now if you cannot cornrow, this will be a good method to do throughout your entire head, but I can cornrow, so I didn't opt to do that. Also, blowing your hair out will help to define your parting a bit more. My hair wasn't blown out prior, as you all can tell, so you cannot really see the distinction between each plait necessarily, but I felt like it still looked natural in the end. So at this point, I'm deciding to go ahead and begin cornrowing some of the hair in the back, and then I'm going to complete the illusion braid method in the front and continue the braid pattern until I'm completely finished. So I'm going to let you all watch this process, and then I'll come back on in a moment.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up.
Alright guys, so our braid pattern is complete. As you can see in the center, in each row, I decided to do 3 plaits that I connected to create my illusion braids, and then I went on to cornrow. Also, as you can see, I did leave some plaits hanging on the side. This is going to be where I create my individual locks. This is going to create a really natural look so that when you pull your hair up in the front, you don't have any problems with being able to detect that these are crocheted. This is what the back looks like. As you can see, I did do cornrows and I connected the ends, and now I'm just going to loop the end so that it's tucked away and we can begin installing our faux locks.
Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like.
Now these locks come in length 18 as well as length 24. I got mine in length 24. So what you're going to do first is take one of the loops and insert your finger into that hole. Grab your crochet needle and you're going to insert the needle into the root of the plait that you created, and you're going to attach the loop to the latch, and then you're going to pull your lock through. Remove the crochet needle and then you're going to pull your lock through that loop. Now when I began this install, I thought I would simply be able to just unravel the lock and begin wrapping the lock around my braid, but y'all, that did not work. So I had to use the method where I actually insert the crochet needle and then pull my braid in through the hollow part of the lock. Now this first one is not done the best, but I did go back and fix it, but the next one is going to be so much better. So you're going to see the technique that I've used in another tutorial where I didn't actually do it. My stylist did it, but y'all, I tried this method and I was able to do it this time. I was so proud of myself. Y'all don't even understand.
Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah.
Y'all, I'm so excited. I could not do that method before at all. So for those out there who've struggled, keep practicing. You will get it. Now comes the easy part where you can just simply crochet the hair in. So I'm just going to attach the lock. We're going to pull it through the base, and then we're going to remove the crochet needle and then just pull the lock through that loop and tighten it, and you're good to go. I'm going to complete this process throughout my entire head. Now I do want to share some tips when it comes to the illusion braids. What I'd recommend is only putting one lock in that first square where you have your first plait that you connected, and then in the other squares you can decide to put one or add additional locks. Now when I got closer to the areas where I wanted to wear my part, for example in the middle or along the side, I tried to make sure that I added more than one lock just to ensure that I was able to close up those gaps and to ensure that it wasn't apparent that I had not done individual faux locks.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space. I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't.
So now that we've completed the entire install and it's looking really natural, I'm going to begin to work on my baby hair. I have two edge controls, the edge effect and the edge booster. I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use, but I decided to go for the edge effect. Y'all, let me know your experience when using these products. I used the edge effect this time and I had white residue. I don't remember having white residue in the past, but I did this time. I don't know if it's because I had product on my edges prior. I don't know. But I did get white residue, so this is not one that I'd recommend. But provide your feedback down in the comment section. In a moment, I'm going to show you all the finished results, and I'm also going to show you all some styles that you can create with these faux locks.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes, you're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you'll ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed this faux lock install. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but I did use 8 packs of this hair. I am absolutely in love with it. It is so gorgeous. I could literally wear this hair forever. I'm not going to be able to do that though. But like this video, comment, check the description. I'll have the link and all the specifications for this hair down below. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.